Hello friends, Erin here, inviting you to celebrate Dot Day with us at the Chicopee Public Library. So Dot Day is a celebration of creativity inspired by the book The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. And we celebrate Dot Day on or around September 15th. It's flexible, but it's around the anniversary of the first publication of The Dot. And so, we have this special kit for you this week that you can pick up, or you can keep picking them up until we run out. And in here, there are some creativity prompts and lots of colorful dots. And you are invited to make your mark and see where it takes you, just like Vashti's art teacher says in the book. So, today I'm gonna do a little dot art, and maybe we can do some dot art together, or maybe this will give you a place to get started. For more info about Dot Day and to read the Dot and watch a video of the Dot and other Dot Day cool stuff, go on the Chicopee Public Library website on the Children's Room page under online programs. The instruction sheet in here will have info about how to do that. All right, cool. I'm gonna switch my camera situation and we can make some art together. All right, so I have here my Dot Day kit. I have some rainbow colors of dots. I have some rainbow foam dots, and I have some crayons, and I'm gonna just play around with them a little bit. These have foam or they are foam and they have sticky parts on the back. I chose some plain brown paper because I was watching Making Space with Christian Robinson on YouTube, and he likes to use a lot of like plain brown paper, and I think it really makes colors look very interesting. It's different because we use a lot of white paper all the time, so fun to do something a little different. Maybe you have an empty empty paper bag at home. That might be something fun that you can make some art with. Okay, so we're just going to speed this up a little bit here. I'm going to use a combination of these dots and the crayons. And I'm thinking about circles. And adding some different colors. These look kind of like bubbles, maybe. All right, gonna fill in that yellow circle with some more stickers. I think it's turning out to look kind of like a dot mandala, many circles all together, like a cell or an atom or something from nature. All right, one more sticker. Okay, here's what I came up with. So if you'd like to share what you came up with, feel free to send us an email, chicopeelibrarykids@gmail.com, and we'll see you soon.